Got a broken furnace? Need furnace repair in Sioux City, Iowa? There's never a good time for your furnace to stop working in Sioux City, but when it does, you want your furnace fixed right and fixed fast. Excel Comfort is here to do just that. Here are the top 7 warning signs that your furnace needs service or repair. 1. Increase in energy bills. 2. Loud noises coming from your furnace. 3. Strange odor from your furnace. 4. A yellow pilot light. 5. Your house takes forever to heat up. 6. Furnace is blowing cold air. 7. Uneven heating. The best time to address furnace problems is before you have them. You'll be pleasantly surprised at how quickly Excel Comfort can respond to your needs. Whether it's a furnace repair or a complete furnace replacement, they'll get you back up and running. As a full-service HVAC contractor serving the Sioux City and tri-state area, they repair all major brands of heating and cooling equipment. Their team of trained technicians are prepared to handle just about any issue with your furnace. Go to bed comfortable tonight. When you need furnace repair, furnace maintenance, or furnace replacement, turn to Sioux City's leading HVAC repair company. Get excellence in home comfort with Excel Comfort. Call 712-223-8101 today.